Steffen. Can you tell me a bit about your research area?
Yeah, hi. I'm Steffen, and my research area is actually additive manufacturing and sustainable aspects of additive manufacturing and circular economy. Also, what I do, I work quite heavily in collaborative robotics, scalable, flexible manufacturing. So that is what I'm doing at KIT.
Okay, and you're here to present a paper?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm presenting a paper of one of my PhD students. He couldn't make it because of travel issues, so that's about collaborative robots.
Okay, and can you tell me a bit more about the paper?
Yeah, it's quite a challenge if you want to work in the area of scalable, flexible manufacturing. You often face, let's say, lot size of one, so you just want to produce one part.
Yeah.
And this means if you want to work with robots, you need super flexible systems. And if you think about a human being working with two hands, that means in terms of robotic, you work with two robots and you have to coordinate these actions in real time. And this is what this paper is about. How you could do that, what kind of algorithms you can use, and what is the best, let's say, framework or the best algorithms you can use or libraries you can use to achieve a real-time synchronizing of robotic movements.
Wow. Okay, and will there be any future research on this topic?
Oh, certainly. It's ongoing and it's growing like hell. In particular, if you talk about or look into the area of Industry 4.0 applications, so collaborative robot tech is hugely important, and you can think about many areas like, let's say, robot-robot cooperation and collaboration, and also robot-human being cooperation. So that's the topics we will look in the future. And I think there will be a lot of papers in the future targeting these areas.
Okay, and can you speculate a bit? What will this lead to?
Yeah, it leads to, let's say, concepts like the robot is your friend. So you work closely together with your friend, the robot, in manufacturing environments. And I'm interested to see that if I don't retire before.
Well, I can't wait to see it, so let's see. How has the conference been so far?
Oh, it's nice. It's super well organized, and it's actually quite diverse topics here on this conference. So this leads usually to new research ideas and joint projects. So this is what I like with FTC.
Okay. Steffen, thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you so much. See you soon.